Let's make spring rolls the way my mom taught me to make it, guys. It's so different. I can't wait for you to try it. It ain't the kind you get from the Chinese restaurant. I'm just telling you, these are better. And they have a secret ingredient. Come on, come on. Hey guys, you ready? You want to make some spring rolls? You want to rock and roll with me? Let me tell you something. These spring rolls are not your average spring rolls. You're going to be surprised when you see what I put in it. So come back and watch, and we're going to make some rolls. I have in here some ground beef, and I have some olive oil there to kind of help it get cooking, and my favorite wooden spoon. And guys, so you can use ground pork, ground turkey, ground chicken, or if you have leftovers, because this is easy, I'm telling you. But if you use ground turkey, can I just tell you, season the hell out of it, all right? Yep. And guys, my vegan friends, use shiitake mushrooms. I'm always going to tell you that because that's the only thing I know that works. So y'all got any other ideas, you let me know. All right, guys, you're going to add your salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. And if you want to use fresh onions, go for it. I mean, like I said, I'm allergic, right? You guys knew that? Yeah, I'm allergic to a lot of things. But, you know, we make do, so onion powder works for me. Your veggies together. You're going to need some cabbage, like I said, and some carrots. And if you use onions, you can throw them in here too. It's all up to you, but what you want to do first, after soaking your noodles, is drain them. And then you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're just going to chop them like that so that they're, you know, not the sucking nunu kind of thing. Yeah, maybe I should start calling them nunu because that's what my mom says. Like, you know, she has a issue with, yeah, it's a long story, but I'll mock her. So if you guys are Asian and you get offended, you might not like me. I might not be your cup of tea because I do mock my mom because she's kind of funny. Yep. Anyways, come back, drain your meat, and let's put it all together. Y'all have to excuse the attire. It is South Carolina. It's hot. It's hot today, and sometimes the air conditioning don't always work. So if my bra's hanging out, y'all know, y'all women know, this is how we walk around in the house sometimes. Sometimes we don't even wear a bra, but I'm going to be your saving grace and not scare the hell out of you. Anyways, let's go. Let's make some of these carrots, right? So when you're shredding carrots, you know how we always do it like this way? You know what? Then you got to scoop it and put it in another bowl and get it out. Why don't you just turn it sideways? Look at that. Like, what a bright idea, right? So add as many carrots as you want, guys. You can add scallions, green onions. Oh my goodness, bean sprouts if you want, but I don't really care for that because it kind of gets a little soggy once in a while. But I'm telling you, those right there, I eye them because it's like, oh, I want some so bad. Looks like I might only need one carrot. Make sure you don't cut yourself, okay? Because I'm not there to help y'all. I know. And no one's here to help me but my dogs. And we know about them. Y'all been following me. You know my dogs are thieves. Well, the one dog is a thief. But look. See that? All right. Look. Just dump it in there like that. I'm going to just use that much because I don't really care. Like I said, I never care. People are like, you're crazy. I am crazy. I'm Gina from another planet if you don't know me. So I've got my, bean sprouts. No, they're not bean sprouts. I have in my bowl some mung bean noodles, the vermicelli noodles, right? And I already have my cabbage. And you just saw me grate some wonderful carrots, right? Now I'm going to add my meat. See how easy that was? And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, because I'm allergic to onions. I have to remind people because people are like, how can you cook without onions? I know, right? And look, soy sauce. There's really no measuring. You pick what you want. And guys, you're going to get in here with your hands and they're going to get dirty, okay? So let me go wash my hands. I come back and we're going to mix it all up. I'm going to mix it all up and we're going to start rolling. All right, see you in a few. Y'all, so with this pandemic, everybody's done bought everything out, including egg roll wrappers, the kind that I like. But I'm kind of glad that these were the only ones that they had available, because then you guys can do it too. But they usually sell them in the freezer section of the Asian grocery store. I found these in Walmart at the produce section where they have like the pre-cut vegetables and stuff. So you want to make sure that you kind of have them taken up, take them apart piece by piece as you go. All right. Then you're going to want to do the sheet. Guys, I'm telling you why. I think it's just I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, because I'm just, it's me, but it's all good. So anyways, make it into a triangle. The ones I got today are actually vegan. So if you don't use eggs, because I have 2 beaten eggs here that I am going to use as a seal, you can use water if you want. They don't hold as well. So the other thing about these things that, I use what I use, is that they also fry like the Chinese egg rolls. And I'm not a fan of that. I mean, I like them. Oh, did you know that, what's that Chinese food? Oh, God, I can't remember. But anyways, it was some kind of dumpling with cream cheese in it. Can I tell you guys? Look, Chinese people don't eat cheese, neither do Thai people. I may have made a Thai pizza yesterday, but that's just another creation. All right, so back to this, and I'm going to show you a close-up of how to do it, because it is really easy. And take your time. Why are you in a hurry, right? So you want to take that bottom half and pull it up just like that, and kind of tuck it under like you're going to do a burrito, okay? Until you're like right at the edge of the other diamonds. Then you're going to pull that in, like make it like a little envelope. Yeah, see, it might not be pretty the first time. It takes a couple tries, okay? And then you're just going to roll it. Make sure they're nice and even. And then you're going to just, yes, you are going to touch this. If you need your gloves, then have your gloves. But this is for my family, guys. I would never, put anybody in harm's way. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, let me show you how to do it 2 times. I show you, I do 2, then you do you. Hi guys, I'm not sure if you know, but when you have extra, because I always do, you can freeze it, right? I know, just freeze it, put it in a Ziploc bag, it's good to go. But you know what else you can do with it? If you don't use it all, just put it in the frying pan for about 10 minutes. And guess what? You got a stir-fried noodle. Yep, I know. How easy is that? So I'm using this lumpia wrapper that my friend works at the grocery store and actually dropped it off today. I think he must want some egg rolls too. I don't know. But all I can tell you is when you do it with water, it does peel apart eventually. But look at that. Look at how beautiful. I can roll these much better than that other stuff. So let me show you a little quick video on how I do it. All right?